Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe, helps out the channel a lot. Also, make sure if you enjoy this video you hit the like button, and if you haven't already, click the notification bell, and I'll see you next video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to key out a green screen in Sony Vegas Pro 17. Now this is a really simple thing. All you want to do first is go ahead and grab your video track, just drag it into your video. And now this is just a quick video I recorded just saying like and subscribe and stuff. So I'm going to go to the part where I say like and subscribe, because you don't want OBS in the background, you don't want that in your video. So I'm going to cut it back here just before I talk. I'm just about to catch my breath. I'm also going to look for where it ends as well. Video. So it ends about here, so I'm just going to split and delete. So now I've got my full clip. Now what you're going to want to do next, guys, is you're going to want to download yourself a green screen of subscribe or like. I already have mine downloaded, so I'm just going to pull them up. So here's my green screen for subscribe. All I'm going to want to do first is do Control Shift Q. That's going to give us another track. Then I'm going to want to go ahead and drag this into here. It's also going to give us an audio track. We're going to put this aside for a second, and we're going to look for the part where I say subscribe. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe. So about there, so we're going to go and drag this to about here. See how this looks. Make sure you do subscribe, helps out the channel a lot. So we're going to drag it back a little bit more. So let's just go ahead and watch this. Guys, if you're new, make sure you do subscribe, helps out the channel a lot. Also make sure if you enjoy this video you hit the like button. So we have a like button now. We want to go ahead and drag that like and put it about here. See how that looks. Video, you hit the like button. So that's looking pretty good, but you're probably thinking, what about all this green stuff? What are we going to do about this green stuff? We can't even see this video anymore. Well, I got a solution for that. We're going to key it out. So you want to go ahead and click on video effects, and you want to go ahead and look for chroma key. It's this one right here. And now you can have a default, or since it's solid color, you can just drag this onto it and it works. But we're not going to do that, because I'm going to show you if you have a different color instead of green, say blue, green, black, white, whatever. So we're going to go ahead and drag default. We're going to put it on here. This is going to bring up this another tab, and now you're going to have blue selected automatically. All you're going to want to do is click on the blue, and you see this little eyedropper. You're going to want to click it, and you're going to want to click on the color that you want to get rid of, and just like that, it's gone. Now there's an extra thing I want you to do. I want you to mess with these a little bit, because sometimes the green screen, it makes it a little bit darker. So we get the blur amount, we can change it a little bit, up it a tiny bit. Low threshold, just drag it up a little bit, drag it down. Also high threshold, drag this down a little bit, and let's look how that looked. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe, helps out the channel a lot. Also make sure if you enjoy this video. So that's looking pretty good so far, but we still got to do this one. So since it's already a green screen, we're just going to drag the screen over here. It's already done. But again, you can see the brightness is lowered a little bit, because if we click about here, you can see it's completely different colours to that. So to fix this problem, all you want to do is drag the low threshold up a little bit, the high threshold a little bit down, blur amount, just leave it as it is, and look how it is. So make sure if you enjoy this video you hit the like button, and if you haven't already. So that's looking pretty good. Just to finish it off, we're just going to add a little bit of fade onto both ends. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe, helps out the channel a lot. Also make sure if you enjoy this video you hit the like button, and if you haven't already, click the notification bell, and I'll see you next video. So that actually looks pretty good. Now all we want to do is, after we finish this entire video, we just want to click render. So you want to make sure you have Sony AVC/MVC selected. Then you want to make sure you have Internet 1920 by 1080-30 or -60. Select that, name it, and then click render. I'll say this right now, it does look really good. I'm pretty proud of that. And now you guys know exactly how to apply a green screen. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please feel free to give us a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video. This has been Jacob, and I'm out.